Hello everyone, welcome to TGA Visual. Today I'm here with the lovely Nicole Flannagan, owner of Logic Spark Legal. She's going to be telling you why it's important to have legal representation and legal services in your business at the entrepreneurial stage and as you grow to different levels in your business. So let's get started. We're back and we're ready to dig in to learn more about Logic Spark Legal and why, as entrepreneurs, we need legal services. So, Nicole, a CEO, another woman that's doing her thing in her company and her business is an entrepreneur and is ready to help you, as an entrepreneur, anyone else in business, take their business to higher levels with the right legal representation. So, tell us a little bit about Logic Spark Legal.
Logic Spark Legal is a way to get small businesses the legal services they need as they grow and as they transition, add partners, add investors, open new locations, new stores, anything a small business needs to really grow and protect its company and protect its client base as it grows to the next level.
And what I like, Nicole and I were talking earlier, what I really like is what she is bringing to entrepreneurs, what she's offering us as new business owners or even seasoned business owners. So tell us a little bit more about that, because that was really, that really sparked something in me. From Logic Spark, it sparked something in me about what you're offering and how much you care about business owners.
I think business is changing greatly, and I think it's important that a legal business is there to help a business, help a small business, and really meet it where it needs the help, and really try to achieve that through understanding their budgets, understanding how their business generates money, understanding how they want to protect their business so that it can grow to the next level, and really getting that on paper or protecting their trademarks, protecting their intellectual property, protecting their customer base, things of that sort, just really meeting the business where they are.
Wow, I like that. I think we all can appreciate that. Someone that wants to meet us where we are. And if you're an entrepreneur, you know exactly what I mean. All right, thank you. So the next question that I want to ask Nicole, you all probably want to know this too, because I made some not so smart moves early on in my business and I didn't have legal representation, or I was scrambling to get it when an emergency came up. So I want to ask Nicole, why should entrepreneurs or people starting a business or anyone have legal representation?
I think it's important to start that relationship early so that the legal representation can understand your business, understand its growth pattern, understand where the business wants to go, and it can start to create a system and basically a network that your contracts match, that it all heads to the same point, whether you're a business that you're going to resell or that you're a business where you're looking to grow so that you can bring more investors in, or wherever you are. It really allows that attorney to grow with you and understand the trajectory of your business.
And protect you along the way.
Right.
So how does Logic Spark Legal do that for their clients? Like if someone's coming to you now, we're speaking to a whole bunch of people today. If someone's coming to you now, what are they going to get with Logic Spark?
What I really want to do is I want to understand their business. I want to understand how it started, and then I want to understand where is it that they want to go and what are the points that they need either help in growing or they need protection in at this point so that their businesses continue to be successful. That's what I want to know. And then I want to talk about your budget. What is your budget for this legal work? A lot of small businesses are afraid to reach out to attorneys because they're afraid that they don't have the budget to do a retainer. I work with small businesses on many different types of budgets. If you can't afford a more expensive contract, maybe there's a less expensive way to achieve something very similar to what you're trying to achieve without more expensive legal work. So there's usually a way to do it, and I think it's an education process for the attorney and the client to both understand each other.
Wow, awesome points. All right. But we want to leave today with 2 legal tips. I want her to leave you with 2 legal tips that she shared with me that just blew me away. And some we may already know, but we need to hear again. So give us 2 final closing tips about why having legal representation is so important in your business.
Okay. I think it's really important from the start, because I think one thing legal representation can help you do is when you go into business, a lot of times we're going into business with people we've gone into business with before or friends, and it's so important to get that relationship, the expectations, and exactly what the business arrangement is down on paper. It saves friendships. Because when the expectations are laid out on paper and signed, when there is a problem, you can go back to the paper and you can work through conflict the way it was designed to be worked through. And that's what attorneys are there for, is to try and help you avoid problems in the future. Problems are always less expensive to take care of when you take care of them before they start.
Yeah. Yeah.
My second legal tip, my second legal tip, Tara, would be love your business enough to set up the contracts and the infrastructure that you really need to keep your business continuing to grow in a successful way, and to keep it growing so that you can hit your objectives. Each business has different objectives, and it's important that your legal infrastructure reflects that.
That's so important. Protect it from the start, everybody. You know, we've heard these before, but I really want to thank you, Nicole, for sharing this because it's so important. We can't say it enough. You're in business. You decided to go into business. Care about your business enough to get it right from the start. Protect it from the start. So I want to thank Nicole from Logic Spark Legal for joining us today to give you some more wisdom and some more business tips so we can continue to grow and take our business to the next level. Thanks for joining us. And I want to keep you connected with Nicole Flannagan of Logic Spark Legal. So give us where we can find you and how we can connect with you.
Certainly. You can find me on LinkedIn. You can also email me at nicole@logicsparklegal.com, or you can call me at 703-203-4655. Again, that's 703-203-4655.
Great. And as always, we thank you for joining the Tara Gates Anderson video blog. And today we're doing the TGA Visual Edition. So thank you for joining us. Follow me at Tara Gates Anderson on Instagram, at _TGA on Twitter and Periscope. And then check me out right back here at TaraGatesAnderson.com, and we will see you next time. Thanks, Nicole.
Thank you, Tara.